everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable Dollar Tree, all Dollar Tree actually, there's not a single thing on here not from Dollar Tree, wreath. Super easy, super full, super pretty. This ribbon from Dollar Tree this year, they are killing it with this. So if you want to see how I made this, then keep watching. So for today's project, you're going to need one roll of each of these colors from the Dollar Tree. These are just their little $1 deco mesh. I have green, a cream color, orange, and the chocolate brown. The next thing I have is this little Farm Fresh pumpkin sign. This is actually from a yard stake, and I just went ahead and pulled it off the stake. I'm also going to be using some of these decorative pumpkin picks. They're light tan with the dark splatter on them. I have this package of mesh tubing, which is like a jute wrench, and a natural color, so that's really cool that they carry that this year. I also have these two ribbons. This is the red truck with the pumpkins, which this quality is unbelievable for Dollar Tree. I'm really impressed with this one this year. And then this one, which I don't recall them having ever. I know Joann Fabrics had this last year, but I never saw this at Dollar Tree. I also pulled this one out, but I don't think I'm gonna use this one. I think I'm just gonna go with these two, but we'll see. And then, as always, I have a pair of scissors, a rotary cutter, pipe cleaners from Dollar Tree, a 14-inch frame, and my hot glue gun. Okay, so to prep for this, we're gonna need 4 ruffle bunches. We're making ruffle bouquets for this. We're gonna need 4 per section. There's 6 sections. So, we're gonna do 2 different colors per bouquet. Okay, so we're gonna need 12 of these and 12 of these. We're also going to need 12 cuts of the pumpkin truck ribbon and 12 cuts of the plaid ribbon. I've gone ahead and flagged the plaid ribbon, and I've dovetailed this ribbon. So these are about 9 to 10 inches long. These are about 13 inches long. Dollar Tree puts an amount of footage that you get on a roll on their package, but that really varies from package to package, to be completely honest with you. Same goes for the ribbon. I got 12 complete cuts out of this one, but I only got 11 out of this one, and this is what I ended up with. And I measure on my mat. So if you feel not too confident about making this, get yourself 2 rolls of everything just to be safe. If you don't use it, you can always return it back for store credit. So we're gonna need 6 plain bundles, and then we're gonna need 6 bundles with ribbon for each one of these. So what I'm gonna do is decide what color I want on top for each bundle. So for the brown and the green, I want the green on top. I'm gonna take a pipe cleaner and cut it in half. So this is a half of one, and this is a whole one, so you can see the size differential. You can get 2 uses by cutting these in half. So I'm gonna take my green, I'm gonna put my fingers right at the bottom here, I'm gonna hold it, and then I'm gonna walk my index fingers up the mesh. So I end up with something like this. I'm gonna take my half pipe cleaner, I'm gonna put it right over the center, I'm gonna pull this up, and then I'm gonna twist. So now you can see that the mesh is bunched this way. So we're gonna pull our pipe cleaners this way. And then our next bundle will go this way instead of having them both go the same way. So we have a nice full bundle. So now I'm gonna take my brown. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. There we go. And now we see this. I have my pipe cleaners spread this way. I'm gonna attach it like this. So now we have something that looks like this. We have green up here and brown down here, and we have a nice full bundle because we have our green going this way and our brown going this way. So you need 6 of these, and then you're gonna need to make 6 of the same thing but with ribbon on it. So again, my green is going on top. Just gonna take a pipe cleaner here and cut it in half. You're gonna wanna cut all your pipe cleaners before you start doing this, but I did not, so you might wanna do that. Then you're gonna take some of the ribbon. You're gonna take 2 pieces. Decide, just like you did for this, what pattern you want on top for this color bundle, and whatever way you do it for this one, do it the opposite way on the other one. So for this one, I'm gonna put the plaid on top. I'm just gonna lay them flat, and I'm just gonna pinch them right in the middle. There we go. And I'm gonna put that right over, going the same exact way as the mesh. Take my pipe cleaner, come over the top, lift up, twist. Now we have this. Same thing, take the chocolate brown, ruffle onto this the opposite way. And there you have it. Here's our next bundle. So you're gonna have 6 of these, 6 of these. Then you're gonna go ahead and do the same for this. Decide what color you want on top. I'm going to make the prominent color orange. And then for these, you're gonna need 6 plain bouquets. And then you're gonna need 6 with ribbon on top. And I'm going to layer it like this, so the plaid is behind and the truck is on top. So 6 with ribbon, 6 without ribbon. I'm gonna go do all my bouquets and then I'll come back. All right, so now we can start assembling this thing. So we're just gonna go in order. I'm gonna take one of the plain ones and we're gonna work right down these 2 center rings here. And I'm just going towards the back and twisting. That's what we have there. That's what it looks like in the front. So we have the plain green and brown. Next to the plain green and brown, we're gonna take the cream and orange with the ribbon. That'll go next. Next, we'll hook on the brown and green with the ribbon. And then the plain orange and white if I can find the other end of the pipe cleaner. Oh, there it is. So there's all 4. And we'll go through and fluff at the end. Looks a little crowded right now, but it'll work itself out. So there's what we have so far. Follow that pattern for every one of these sections. So I'm gonna go do all that and then I'll come back. So here's what it looks like now, and all I did was go ahead and hot glue this right into the center of the wreath. Just figure out where you want it. And I was looking at it, I feel like I want a bow right here. So what I did when I glued that on is just made sure that this weird spot right here was down underneath it. I don't want it centered completely, I want it just off to the side a little bit. And what we're gonna use for that is this right here and a little bit of this jute twine tubing. So this is the bow that I made, nothing fancy, on a bow dabra. There's a million videos on how to make a bow. So yeah, this is a kind of just like raggedy. So we'll go ahead and attach this to the wreath. Now the last thing that's left to do is just pull these little pumpkins off of the little picks. And we're just gonna hot glue them in wherever we want them. So I'm gonna attach the other 4. There's 5 in the package. I'm gonna use the whole package and then I will show you the finished product. So here is our finished product. That's it. It's just that easy. It's nice and full, super easy to make, and I hope you guys try this project. Thank you for watching.